All right, so I'm here with Adam, and he's got this M6 with the competition package, right? Yes, so that's the Akrapovic exhaust that comes stock for the car.
Yep.
Also has a Dinan tune, and we ran some races against a brand new M3 competition, and we just wanted to go over first how to do launch control in the M6. So we're gonna go over it right now, and then we're gonna play the videos of the two running at the track. Let's see. First off, we go into the car, and the car has two presets that you can control on the steering for M Drive 1 and M Drive 2. So we take M Drive 1 and we have it set up for some specific launch settings. And in this case, we have MDM Sport Plus for the engine, Sport Plus for the transmission, and Sport Plus for the steering. And then also the shifting is the S3, so that's how fast the car shifts, right?
Exactly. So what we're going to do here, since we have it on MDM, which is a dynamic mode, we're going to turn traction completely off. Okay. A lot of people say you can configure them individually and not use your M button. I mean,
oh, gotcha, okay.
I did it.
We'd rather have it all preloaded, so when you press the M button, it doesn't take a long time to go on launch control.
Yeah, so okay. I've had better experiences with that. See, you're set. Just want to hit your M button here. It's going to ask you to confirm because it's taking the driver stability off. So you want to confirm, push it again. Now we're in M mode.
All right, so you have the car in first gear?
Yep.
Okay.
First gear,
right?
In manual, as opposed to what anyone else says. So basically, you just want to take the lever and shift gear and basically just push it forward, hold it, and a little signal there will come up with a race flag, launch control active.
There it is.
Okay. Now, while holding down the gear selector, you're going to floor the pedal. It's going to stay at this RPM. And here you can adjust what RPMs you
Now we're adjusting the RPMs, those in the cruise control button to see how hard you want to launch.
Then all you do is...
And when you're ready to go, you let off the gear shifter here, and then away you go. We're not going to do that here because we're in the street, but we're going to show that at the track. All right, so there you go. That's how you do launch control. Obviously, we're on the street right now. We're not going to launch it, but to actually blast off and go, your left foot's not actually on the brake anymore, which is super interesting. You just let go of the lever when your right foot is on the accelerator 100%, and the car just blasts off. I'm gonna get a little clip of it from the outside, and then we're gonna roll into the M6 versus M4 video. Go! All right, we got M4 competition versus M6 competition. At 11.9 or 11.4? 11.9 to 12.2.